Hey everyone, welcome back. It's your girl Lucy here. I hope you're all having a beautiful day because I'm feeling so fabulous today, I feel so fantastic. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you're new here, I don't know what you're waiting for. Make sure that you subscribe, click the notification bell so you'll be the first among to watch new videos. And I so much truly appreciate you for stopping by, but it doesn't hurt to subscribe. It takes just a second, and let's get this channel to 1,000 subscribers. Let's build a community together. Just in case you're wondering how I did my eyebrows, I already have eyebrow tutorial videos, and I'm gonna leave it in the description. I'm gonna leave the link in the description, so make sure you check it out and you won't regret it, I promise. I'm being funny today, I know. So before I apply my eyeshadows, I make sure that I set my eyelid, and I'm using my NARS Cream Concealer as my eyeshadow base or eyeshadow primer, Blending it up with my shading brush, and I'm setting it up with Airspun translucent powder. And for my eyeshadow palette, I'm using the Morphe 35B, and starting with a transitional shade. Since I'm doing a green color or green cut crease, I started with a green transitional shade. And when I say transitional shade, I mean the lighter shade. An important tip: every time you're applying eyeshadows, make sure that you start with a lighter shade, and this is gonna help you to blend effortlessly. It's gonna help you to save time and energy, and it also makes your eyeshadows look so flawless and even. So as you can see, that's all I'm doing, and blending is the key. Have time to blend your eyeshadows. For my cut crease, I'm using the Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer, and basically cutting my crease. If you want to know how to cut your crease and you want me to do a tutorial, like this video and leave a comment for me, and I'm gonna do it for you. Actually, I'm gonna do it for you, because this channel is not for me. I made this channel for you all, so feel free to contribute. Feel free. It's not for me alone. Look at that butterfly. That butterfly cut crease. I'm setting it up with my Airspun translucent powder again, and that's basically to avoid creasing, and it also helps the shadows to stay in place. I'm using the green pigment. I got this pigment. It's actually a set. It came in different colors, and I got it on Amazon. I'm gonna leave the link in the description, and you won't regret to get this eyeshadow pigment. Seriously, you're not gonna regret it. Look at the color, guys. Just look. It is so mesmerizing. So I went back with my shading brush that I use for my darker shade, and I'm basically blending the darker shade into the green to avoid any harsh lines. I went back with my transitional brush, and just to clean off any excess mess, I'm using a gel liner. I got this from the beauty supply store, but I'm gonna leave all the names of the product that I used for this video in the description, So just in case you're interested, you can check it out. I'm giving some wings to my eyes because I'm so ready to fly, girl. I'm ready to fly. I'm using the Maybelline mascara. And for my falsies, I'm using the Kiss lashes. You can get it at any beauty supply store or even Walmart. For my primer, I'm using the Maybelline Instant Pore Eraser. And this primer is the Balm.com. It gives you that silicone base, and it also seals all the pores on your face. So basically, if you have oily skin, girl, your makeup is gonna stay all day and it's gonna avoid shines on your face. For color correcting, I'm using LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Orange, and that's what I'm doing to seal any flaws on my face. That's the dark circles, dark spots, scars, acne, just name it. I'm using the Black Opal Stick Foundation in the shade Beautiful Bronze and my Becca Ultimate Full Coverage Foundation. And I'm using these brushes. I'll leave the link of the brush in the description. This brush is the Balm.com. For my under eyes or concealer, I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn. And I'm just enhancing the look, you know. So under my eye, on the bridge of my nose, on my forehead, and on my chin. I'm blending it, and I'm using a beauty sponge. You can get a sponge at Walmart or any beauty supply store. I love to use the sponge because you don't necessarily have to make it damp to use it. You can use it even while it's dry, and it works so fast. I mean, very fast. I think I like this better than the beauty blender, the booty blender. Don't mind me. I love being funny. For my setting powder to set my concealer, I'm using the Airspun translucent powder, and this powder is more like you using the Laura Mercier translucent powder. It's a dupe for Laura Mercier translucent powder, and this powder is only like $5-6. For contouring or chiseling, I'm using the Ben Nye cream shadows in the shade Extra Dark. Look at the pigment, girls. Look at how it's bringing all the dimensions that I'm looking for. I'm using the same setting powder though. For my jaw area, I'm using the Black Opal Matte Finish powder. It's also a setting powder. I'm gonna leave the exact name in the description. I'm using a green pencil for my waterline, and I got this pencil at a beauty supply store. Cleaning off the excess mess because you don't want to go out looking like a ghost. For my contour powder, I use the BH palette. BH contour palette, and it comes with contour, highlighters, and blushes. And for my highlighter, I'm using the Juvia's Place Sahara blush palette in volume. Is it volume 2? Yes, volume 2. So that's basically what I'm doing. Highlighting my teardrops, my chin, the bridge of my nose, you know, anywhere you can think of highlighting. I set my face with the e.l.f. setting spray, and on my lip I used the navy lip pencil as my lip liner, and I used red lipstick called Sephora. And I hope you all enjoyed this tutorial. Look at the face. Make sure you give this video a massive thumbs up. Bye. Love you all.